You gotta check this out. They have walled off the fountain. They must be doing some sort of a construction project here. I guess they're rebuilding it? I don't know. Oh, here we go. National Capital Commission Colonel By Fountain Infrastructure Project. The National Capital Commission, the NCC, is undertaking an improvement project of the Colonel By Fountain in fall 2019 through spring 2020. These works will update fountain systems to ensure viability for future generations. Fall and winter 2019-2020. Underground electrical and mechanical repair. Spring and summer 2020. Pipe replacement, space and waterproofing, and light installation. Work will take place Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Interesting.